Oh God, this is way too dark. This is so sad. And I'm paranoid.
What?
I don't know what's going on. I lost the nail.
I understand. If you got it like that, fine.
Why are you ignoring me? You can't ignore me.
I don't like videos.
Why?
You know why.
Yeah, rock on coming.
You got it?
Oh! Run away!
Don't let me whip my food.
American girl. It's because of AJ.
She's mad dramatic. She was dead, dropped herself on the floor and hurt herself because he told her no.
Good morning, guys. Today I was supposed to go to the beach and those plans got canceled because of the rain. Well, it's not raining yet, but it's supposed to rain. So we just decided to cancel the plans. But now I think I'm just going to work out. I've been seeing a bunch of people on YouTube doing this jump rope challenge. You jump rope like 300 jumps and then you add 100 jumps each day. And I think it should be really fun. Right now I'm doing my lazy skincare routine. All right guys, change of plans. I actually am going to the beach for like an hour. I'm putting on my KKW Beauty Foundation right now because I have a bunch of dark marks all over my body and I just hate them. So we're gonna cover them. It's crazy because most of you guys know, like, I freaking live on an island. Well, I live on Long Island and I rarely go to the beach. Oh God, this is way too dark. Okay. So yeah, I'll probably go in the water for a little bit. I don't know. You guys are probably wondering, if you're going in the water, why are you putting this on? Honestly, like I said before, I have like some dark marks and I just try to cover my styliatic system as much as I can because people always feel the need to ask me questions about it. I don't know why. It's very uncomfortable. So I just try to cover it just to avoid any questions. Like, I don't understand why people do that. It just makes you like even more insecure when people point it out. It's crazy. I literally only own 4 swimsuits. I need to buy more. Long story short, because I was so insecure about like my dark marks and like my body acne, I stopped going to the beach for like 5 years. That's why I only own like 5. But since I am a little bit more confident now, I want to buy more swimsuits. So comment down below your favorite swimsuit places. Yeah, this is the one I am currently wearing. I wish I didn't eat. I am so bloated, but it's okay. It's okay. I mean, nobody's judging me. All right, I'm gonna quickly do like my eyebrows, just so I have a little bit of eyebrows. I'm not gonna do my makeup, I don't think. Maybe some concealer, that's it. And we're gonna call it a day. So this has been like my 2-minute makeup lately. I'm like rushing because I did say I was gonna be there in like 30 minutes. I'm going to a South Shore beach. I think they're a lot better than the North Shore beaches, but the South Shore beaches are like 40 minutes away. So that's the only bummer. I actually just dropped my painting. Whenever I'm rushing, I get so frazzled. And this is also how like my room gets dirty. Because when I rush, I just start throwing things everywhere and I don't even pay attention to what the hell I'm doing. Oh my gosh, why are you wearing makeup to the beach? So I can look prettier, that's why. If I had more eyebrows, I would so just go to the beach like that. But I'm not blessed with a lot of eyebrow hair. So when I don't have my eyebrows done, I just look okay. But I don't want to be just okay today. I want to be cuter. I'm just gonna wear this flowy top with this. I also brought a t-shirt just in case I change my mind and I don't feel like doing that, but I have to go.
We made it.
crazy.
Let's go.
We have a bunch of standing here.
Don't take it out.
Whatever. Alright, it's been such a long day. I'm super tired. I didn't really get into the water because it was cold and kind of cloudy. We went there too late. Like, we were supposed to go there at 11. I mean, I had a feeling it was going to be super late, but I didn't think it was going to be that late. I mean, maybe a different day we can go again, but it was too late. Now it's time to go home. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home. You guys hear that? It's about to thunder, and I'm freaking afraid of thunder. And so is my dog. So I know he's probably in my room. It is raining. It is raining. Shoot. Hey, so I'm back. I'm home. It was a pretty chill time. I didn't go in the water or anything. I just pretty much stayed on the sand. I let my feet get wet. You know, my shorts kind of got wet too, so I have to take a shower because I did get wet. But I didn't really go inside the water because it just wasn't worth it. The water was a little bit too cold. It was kind of gloomy. It was kind of just like a chill and look at the ocean type of day. It was sunnier earlier, but we just waited way too long. But yeah, I know my boyfriend's coming over soon, like probably in like 2 hours. So I'm gonna wait to get, ew, I just picked my nose. I'm gonna wait to get food with him. See what we're gonna get. We'll probably get Chick-fil-A or something. I don't know. I don't really know. I guess we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me, even though it's kind of like sporadic and yeah, it just wasn't that cohesive. But yeah, if you guys want to see more day in my life videos or anything like that, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.